Point weather alert. A lot of rain out there this morning, and you'll see the radar behind us. If I sort of step out of the way, you can see that we're not too far away from the white stuff.
Yeah, I mean, we're not going to get any snow out of the system here in southern New England, but the ski resorts up across northern New England going to make out again, especially New Hampshire and into Maine. That's where some of the highest totals will be. For us, it's rainfall totals that we're tracking. Here's how much rain we have, and the rain gauge is so far, and this is through 5 o'clock this morning. Just over ½ inch of rain in Newport, right at that ½ inch mark in Westerly, Warwick, New Bedford at around ½ inch of rain, and similar amounts in Smithfield, Woonsocket. 0.3 inches of rainfall. Looking at our live Doppler radar, we still have quite a few showers to get through, though the worst of it, the heaviest of the rain, has already started to lift up to the north and east of our area. We are still tracking showers back to the south and west, and so you'll need to have those wipers on as you begin your morning commute. The shutoff time for these, well, they start to move out in just some lighter showers after 6 and 7 o'clock in the morning. So you can still see here at 6:30 where we have some showers moving through. The temperature is running in the mid to upper 40s at that point, and then we'll have a couple of hours where we'll climb into the upper 40s to lower 50s. This is at 8 o'clock in the morning. Heavy rain is out, but a couple of lingering showers to finish out the morning commute. By lunchtime, we're back to partly sunny skies. Winds are really picking up by this point, though, and the temperatures will start to drop into the 40s, and we'll see those temperatures continuing to cool as the afternoon goes on. So 3 o'clock in the afternoon, got temperatures in the 40s, but it's going to feel like it's in the 30s when we add in the winds. And then by 6 in the evening, we're in the mid to upper 30s. So the rain does move out this morning. Got to just be patient. Early morning commuters finding some of those ponding concerns. Winds a change, going to be blowing next few days. Gusts as high as 40 to 45 miles per hour along the immediate coastline and offshore, with wind gusts to 35 miles per hour inland. That colder air is going to be transported in on those gusty winds, and that'll lead to a dry weekend but a chilly weekend with blustery winds on Saturday, lighter winds on Sunday. Right now the winds still starting to pick up, so we're seeing now some gusts between 30 and 40 miles per hour for Groton, Martha's Vineyard, and Nantucket. Notice the winds kicking up by the late morning hours and continuing into the afternoon. Those are sustained winds, again with those higher gusts expected. So that's going to create those wind chills in the afternoon, as I mentioned. They'll make it feel much cooler. So upper 30s at 3 o'clock, then down into the 20s this evening. It's all from this 20 areas of low pressure here that's moving up through New England. They're moving quickly, but it's an intense system, and it's generating quite a bit of snow over the Great Lakes region. It's also bringing in some cold air. You can see it back across the Great Lakes, and we'll start to feel that during the day today, but even more so tonight. So by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, it's around 25 degrees at 5 o'clock in the morning, and the wind chills will be in the teens. So here's the wind chills for tomorrow with a high near 40 degrees, a mix of clouds and sunshine. Wind gusts still to 30 miles per hour. It's going to feel like it's in the upper 20s to near 30. Saturday's high in the mid to upper 30s, just cold and dry, going to be the theme of the weekend. Still a few clouds building on Saturday, but Sunday looking sunny and with lighter winds. Monday's high near 40. By Monday night, Tuesday and Wednesday, we've got some unsettled weather returning, and surprise, surprise, once again, it looks like rain for our region.